Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Wow. Look at this. This is a different video. I'm gonna be reviewing some products that I have already purchased. So pretty much like since January to May, I haven't purchased anything until now. So pretty much this is the first ever makeup haul from the year, which is very exciting because I have a lot of makeup right here laying down that I already did with this look. So I used this little palette to create this look right here. It's gonna be like a cut crease, but it wasn't that perfect, but you know, practice. So if you want to see what I got in this huge makeup haul, please keep on watching. We're gonna start off with the matte from Wet n Wild. So we're gonna open it up. The first step is always gonna be primer. Now this primer was only $5.99. Wow, that's actually a really good deal. I think that maybe it was too overpriced, but $5.99 plus tax. Now, as you guys know, I always put in corrector. So this one is always gonna be from LA Girl. I can live without this concealer, so I always buy it. We're gonna blend it all, and then we're gonna put the foundation. So as you guys know, I got 3 foundations. I got the LA Girl, doesn't say a price, and then I have the Hard Candy Camouflage. Now this foundation, this foundation from Hard Candy was only $97, and this one I can't remember how much it was, but it shouldn't be that much. But I'm gonna go ahead and try the Hard Candy. Always wanted to try this foundation, and now we're here. Now, I also bought a beauty sponge, and this is from e.l.f. Now, the e.l.f. sponge was only $5. It's very it's very soft. I don't know, should I wet it or should I put it? I don't know. I should I spray it with the setting spray. This setting spray is actually from Beauty Creations. Rose Setting. Oh wow, this is nice. So the application is kind of like this. That's like really cool. I didn't have no idea it was gonna be like this. I thought it was gonna be kind of like a pump. Alright, let's start blending. Wow, that color is really pretty. Wow, it actually looks really nice. And then I'm gonna apply a little bit more. I seriously love how it looks. Looks natural, looks really... And it's true what it says about camouflage because of the redness. Don't really have it. Wow, I love this foundation. Now, I did get 3 foundations. But this one, look at the color. Look at this color. Now, this foundation was for $3. NYX Total Control drops, but it's really dark for me. So what I'm gonna do another video how I'm gonna tone it down, tone it up, match my color. So I'm gonna save this foundation for another video because I'm very excited to do it. I got this idea. I'm like, wow, why don't I just do that? And I'm like, I'm gonna do it. But that's gonna be for my next video. Now, foundation is done. We're gonna move on to concealer. And here is that concealer. I didn't get the new one because I couldn't find it. So this one is gonna be the original one, and it's on the color Light Beige. It smells like powder. Now we're gonna blend again. Actually, I forgot to. Alright, now we're gonna go on to powder, and then of course gonna be from e.l.f. Cosmetics. Then I love this stuff. I love it that it comes with a little powder. It is right there. I love it when from like powders give you like a natural look. It looks natural, it doesn't look exaggerating. So we're gonna move on, but then first, coffee break. This cold brew, it's so good. Like I can't stop drinking this cold brew. I bought like 3 bottles of this cold brew. Now a little bit of spray. So now, like I said, we're gonna use the Beauty Creations Rose Setting Spray. It smells so good. I actually do my bronzing and highlighter before doing my brows because I done it is so bad. So we're gonna use my Tarte Pro, and where's my brush? My favorite Wet n Wild brush, and then we're gonna put some. Now some highlighting. Ooh, my highlight is popping. Okay, now we're gonna go on with the brows. For brows, we're gonna use another product from e.l.f. e.l.f. is so affordable, which is gonna be this one right here. But I don't like to use the little one, so I brought my own brush. Now where's my brush? And I guess I'll be using this brush. I always like to use the cream one, not the powder one. This is why we don't do our brows in camera, because it takes so freaking long. I'm like, ugh. But they came out good. This sticks forever. Okay. So I'm thinking, so I have 2 palettes that I got here. Palettes both look like kind of like the same color, but I'm gonna notice that while I swatched this one right here. Now I never tried this brand before, but it's called NK something like that. But it comes with beautiful colors. Look at all these colors right here. They're really nice, but when you swatch them, not that much. Those are all the colors. They're pretty. I mean, they're pretty. When you put them on the eyes, not that much. Let me see. So I'm gonna prime my eyes. Actually, the colors are really pretty and very easy to like put together and blend. Wow, I'm impressed. Okay, I'm gonna attempt to do a cut crease. I got the perfect lighting. Oh wow. I'm gonna cry because it looks perfect. I'm gonna put green. I'm gonna put green. Wow, I am impressed of how nice the colors look. Like it actually looks really nice. Because when I first like swatched the colors, it looked really bad, like really flaky. But now, like I put it on, it like actually looks really nice. Wow. Now on my other eye, I'm gonna do something different because I'm gonna use this one or just do my other eye. Okay, so I actually finished the whole look, but we're missing lipstick. Didn't I get this lipstick on the store? I got it from boxycharm. Yeah. So I'm gonna apply a little bit. You can finish the look with some lipstick. Okay, so the look is done. How do you guys think? I know it's all over the place, but I've been trying to practice the cut crease style thingy. Seems very easy when you look at it, but when you want to do it, it's not easy at all. Practice, practice, practice. Well, anyways, thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. Subscribe down below. Follow me on social media. We have the links right here. You guys can always follow me. I'm very fun. Comment below what you think about this look, what you think about the purchase, or what you think about the items that I purchased. Don't be shy. I mean, I'll be answering any questions in the comment section. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.